Wild honey. Twisting the spoon in deep, you watch gold uncoil into your porridge bowl, where bees and butterflies are lacquered round the rim. Beyond the glass, it's several summers since they buzzed and flitted through our thistle-spotted grass, the back meadow's poppy, yarrow, lady's bedstraw. From even there, mites and parasites, varroa, wax moth, foul brood, have thinned them to a smatter, and now with diggers, ploughs and cutters, 3 hedgerows in a day, and every flower goes under, another swathe of pasture laid out for its bypass. And so, watched only by the stars, pockets bursting, we steal out and scatter through the night, packet after packet. Red campion, crested dog's tail, bird's foot trefoil, viper's bugloss.